As AI tools continue to improve, you need to make sure that you're using the best software available to enhance your written content. Whether you're writing a blog post or coming up with new ideas for your next ad, we know a great list of tools that can help you get the job done. Hey YouTube, it's Lucas here from Snappa, and today I'm going to show you the best AI writing tools to use right now. Let's get started. The first tool on the list is Rytr. Rytr is an AI assistant that can help you create high-quality written content in seconds, and their free version is packed with features. Rytr can generate content in over 30 different languages, and they have over 20 different writing tones to choose from. If you're writing content for a YouTube video, you might want to use an enthusiastic or an informative tone. Or maybe, if you're writing an important email for work, you can go with a formal or an inspirational tone. The use case will determine what type of content Rytr generates for you. Whether you're looking to write a blog outline, a business idea, an interview question, or a product description, this software can literally help write it for you. Once you've selected a use case, make sure to give Rytr as much information as possible. The more details that you provide will help Rytr produce better results. Check out this product description that Rytr came up with for our graphic design software Snappa. It only took a few seconds and it looks pretty darn good at a first glance. I can manually type in any edits that I want to make, or I can also highlight a sentence and use Rytr's AI to improve it and rephrase it. Rytr can also create brand new paragraphs based on a single sentence. And if you describe an image in detail, Rytr's AI can actually generate an image for you using that prompt. This feature really comes in handy if you want a unique image for a blog post. Since Rytr has a powerful free plan that is so easy to use, I definitely think that it's a great tool for beginners to check out. The next tool that you need to try is ChatGPT. This is a brand new AI tool that has been getting a ton of buzz lately. ChatGPT is designed to answer your questions in a conversational way, similar to how a human would. This software can help you write new content, it can debug code, it can explain complicated topics, or you can simply just have a conversation with it. I asked ChatGPT to give me 5 ideas for a YouTube video about camera techniques, and it generated 5 high-quality video ideas for me in seconds. We also asked ChatGPT to help us come up with a title for this video, and these were the results. As you can see, the software generated a bunch of amazing video titles for us to use, and we actually ended up using the third one on the list. Feel free to use ChatGPT for long-form content as well. I asked the software to help me write a short script for a horror movie based in a room full of mirrors, and it just started typing away. If you actually pause the video and read the results, you're going to be fascinated by the quality of writing that this tool generates. The way it was able to describe the setting and the emotions that the characters were feeling absolutely blew me away. If you're ever unsatisfied with ChatGPT's answer, you can always click try again, or you can rephrase your question with a bit more detail. This tool is still in the research stage, so it's completely free to use for now. We definitely recommend checking it out if you're looking to transform your writing or learn something new. The third tool that we recommend is Copy.AI. This software is perfect if you're looking to create quality short-form content, such as headlines, captions, advertising copy, and more. Even though we're currently testing out the Pro trial, their free version still has everything you need to get started, and it never expires. On the homepage, you'll find a bunch of tools and templates on the left. You can also click on the categories in the middle, and recommended templates will pop up below. Or you can simply use the search bar to type in exactly what kind of written content you're looking to create. Let's try creating a caption for this Instagram post. I'll tell Copy.AI that I want to write an Instagram caption for a photo that advertises my cottage rental property. Copy.AI will then generate a template, and I can fill in more details by editing the text that is highlighted in purple. They have a few different writing tones to choose from, and you can actually type in your own custom tone as well. Check out these captions that Copy.AI generated. I'm super impressed with the different variations that were given. Some are longer, shorter, more expressive, and more creative. I can always use the notepad on the right to make any edits, and then I can just copy and paste my caption right into Instagram. I also used Copy.AI to generate a blog outline, and then I used chapters from that outline to generate blog sections. The writing style feels very natural, and with all these different templates to choose from, I can see why Copy.AI is one of the best options available for all types of creators. The last tool on the list is Jasper.AI. This is one of the most powerful AI writing tools available, and it does a great job at generating long-form content. The downside is that they don't have a free version like the other tools on our list. After a 5-day trial period, you'll have to pay for a subscription. If you take a look at their templates, you'll notice that they have a lot of different options that are catered to businesses and full-time creators. A lot of these templates are very unique and specific. However, I actually had a great experience using their commands template, which lets you tell Jasper exactly what you want it to write for you. I was able to generate a full YouTube video script in just a couple of minutes, and Jasper also helped me come up with a description for that YouTube video. Their text summarizer is another useful feature that you should check out as well. If you're constantly reading large blocks of text on a daily basis, this template can help you quickly sort out all of the key points. If you have the budget for it, Jasper.AI is definitely an amazing tool that can help you take your written content to the next level. Well, that's all for today's video. Make sure to leave us a comment if you know of another great AI tool that we forgot to mention. And as always, if you learned something new, remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.